Hey friends, today we're diving into something super exciting, how to sell digital products online step by step. Now, this is for all beginners out there. So if you've been wondering how to start making money online without stocking physical products or stressing about deliveries, then stick with me because this is going to be fun, simple, and actionable. Yeah. Now, grab a cup of tea, a notepad, and let's get started. First thing first, what is a digital product? Now, a digital product is anything you can sell online that people download or access digitally. Think ebooks, courses, templates, design packs, audio files, anything like that. Basically, it's something you create once and sell over and over again. Now, the best part is you don't need to have a fancy office, a ton of money, or a degree in tech to get started. Trust me, if I can do this, you can too. When it comes to creating a digital product, right, the first step is to find your topic. This doesn't have to be complicated in any way. Just ask yourself, what do I know that people might want to learn? Okay, you might be great at cooking, awesome with braiding hairs. You might have even figured out how to save money, or great with home decorations. Whatever it is, someone out there wants to know how to do it too, and they're willing to pay for that knowledge. Quick tips: your topic doesn't need to be perfect, okay, but it does need to solve a problem. People are searching for solutions, okay, so think about what people often ask you for help with. Step two is to choose your product type. Once you have your topic, it's time to decide on what digital products to create. Ask yourself, what's the best way to teach this topic? If you love writing, an ebook will be perfect for you. If you love talking, try a video course, okay? And if you say, okay, you want to keep it simple, right? Start with a checklist or a template. For example, if your topic is budgeting, right? You could create a video course on how to budget, a budget template people can fill in, a short ebook called How to Save $1,000 in 30 days, right? Keep it simple, don't overthink it. Now, step three is to validate your product idea. This is where a lot of people get it wrong. Yes, they create a product first and hope it sells. But we are not about that trial and error life, are we? Okay, now instead, we are going to validate your idea before you create. Okay, now what is validation? Validation simply means testing if people are interested in buying the product. If you're able to do this, it will save you time, energy, and even money. Here are three ways to validate your idea. One, ask your audience. Okay, post a simple question on social media like, hey, if I created dash product, will you be interested in it? Two, run a poll. Use Instagram story, post, or Facebook to pull your followers. For example, would you pay for a step-by-step course on dash product? Now, the third way to validate your idea is to pre-sell it. This is my favorite. Yes. Tell people about your idea and offer them a chance to buy at a discount before you create it. Okay. Now, if people are willing to pay you upfront, that's your confirmation right there. Trust me, this step is gold. Imagine spending weeks creating an ebook only to hear crickets. Validating first means that you're creating something people actually want. Step four is to create your product. Now, this is the fun part, okay? I know what you're thinking. Oh, glory, but I'm not a tech person. Relax, okay? You don't need to be because there are so many tools that makes this easy. All right, for those who are looking to create ebook, you can make use of Canva because it is free and you don't need to have a design skill to make something pretty. For those who are looking to create an online course, okay, you can use platforms like Teachable or Seller. And if you're on a tight budget, okay, you can make use of YouTube. Record yourself and upload it as an unlisted link. It's that simple. You don't need to create something fancy or look for a fancy software or a Hollywood setup. Okay, you don't need all of that to start. Now, step 5 is to set a price. Yeah. Now, let's talk about money, right? How much should you charge? Okay. Now, here is my own advice. Start with something affordable but valuable. Okay. Now, if it's your first product, you want to build trust and get people to actually buy it. Okay. Now, if you're looking at creating ebook, you can charge from $10 to $30, and if you're thinking of a beginner's course, you can charge from $50 to $150. And hey, if you're still unsure, right, think about how much you pay for something like that. Yeah, step 6 is to choose a platform to sell on. Okay, you can use platforms like Seller, Etsy, even create a website using Shopify to sell your products. You can also use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook to sell your products. Okay, you don't need to like really stress yourself doing all of this. Now, step 7 is to market your product. This step is where the magic happens, because let's be real, you could have the best product in the world, but if nobody knows about it, how would they buy it? Here's how to market your product. Use social media. Okay, now you want to post something related to your product. For example, if you're selling ebook on skincare, you want to create content around it. Post a skincare tips. Okay, now another way to market your product is by email marketing. Build a small email list, send value packed emails, right, and remind them about your product. Now, the next one on my list is to create freebies. This works like magic. Okay, offer something small and valuable for free to attract people. Okay, this could be a guide or a checklist. And speaking of freebies, I have a gift for you. If you're serious about creating your first digital product, right, I have a free online course that teaches you how to turn your knowledge, experience, expertise, passion into a profitable product. Okay, now this is simple, beginners friendly, and straight to the point. All you need to do to join this group is to click the link below this video. Okay, you don't want to miss out. Now it's time for you to launch. Okay, you don't need to throw a party or hire a PR team. Okay, just start small, right? Announce it on your social media, send an email to your list, and share it with friends. Pro tip: create some urgency. Use phrases like limited time offer or get this bonus if you buy within 48 hours. Okay, people love good deals, and a little urgency helps them take action. And that's it. Selling digital products online isn't as scary as it seems, right? Start small, take one step at a time, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload my next video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.